Hi, I'm Janice Berger. I'm the Chief Executive of Providence St. Vincent Medical Center. It's my privilege to be a part of the Ice Bucket Challenge. I wanted to do this today in memory of our friend James Jacobs, who was an award-winning professor at the University of Montana, delightful man and family who we miss dearly. I'd also like to challenge all of my fellow leaders of Providence, Oregon hospitals, so all of the executive teams and medical executive committees of the Oregon regional hospitals. You got to go do it with us. We've got our team here today, so we have our executive team of Providence St. Vincent Medical Center here to support ALS.
Wait.